Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 22nd of December, 2023. The market ended higher for the second consecutive session on December 22nd with Nifty above 21,300, amid buying across the sectors, barring banks. At close, the Sensex was up 241.86 points, or 0.34% at 71,106.96, and the Nifty was up 94.40 points, or 0.44% at 21,349.40. The top Nifty gainers included Wipro, HCL Technologies, Tata Motors, Hero MotoCorp and Hindalco Industries, while losers were Grazim Industries, SBI Life Insurance, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the stock of PIRAMAL zoomed over 8% to hit a 52-week high of 140.20 rupees on the BSE. It has surged 16% so far, largely in line with the benchmark Sensex. ICICI Securities has reinitiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating and set the target price at 180 rupees. The brokerage expects a healthy project pipeline, better volumes and sales in its contract development and manufacturing organization business over financial year 2023 to 26. POLYCAB India shares tanked over 5% on December 22 amid reports that the Income Tax Department is conducting searches at 50 locations of POLYCAB across India. The residences and offices of the top management linked to the firm were also being raided, reported CNBC TV 18. The reasons behind the Income Tax Department searches and the nature of the investigation are not yet clear. The stock has risen over 100% so far in 2023, doubling investors' money. In comparison, the benchmark Nifty 50 has risen around 15%. LIC shares zoomed over 5% to hit a 52-week high on December 22 after the government granted a one-time exemption to the insurer to achieve 25% minimum public shareholding within 10 years. This removes a key overhang from the stock because its earlier deadline to achieve MPS was May 2027, as per the SEBI regulation, which would have meant share sales by the government. The government holds 96.5% in LIC. Shares of ALLCARGO Logistics rose by 7% at the opening on December 22, a day after the logistics major announced its decision to restructure its business under ALLCARGO Limited and ALLCARGO Gati Limited, formerly Gati Limited. Stocks of ALLCARGO Logistics saw a gain of over 6% in the last 5 sessions, closing at 285.40 rupees on December 21, around 4% higher than the opening price. ALLCARGO Gati stocks opened at 145 rupees, which is 5% higher than the previous day's closing. The news of the demerger was announced after the market closed. At 9:20 a.m., ALLCARGO Logistics was trading at 306.65 rupees. Shares of GMR Airport Infrastructure gained 5% at the open on the NSE on December 22, a day after the company announced that its subsidiary GMR Airports Limited had entered into an agreement with NIF to develop and operate the Bhogapuram International Airport. In a regulatory filing, GMR Airports Infrastructure Limited said that GMR Airports Limited and NIF, National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, had entered into binding agreements for NIF to invest up to 6.75 billion rupees in GMR Visakhapatnam International Airport Limited, a special-purpose vehicle to develop and operate the Bhogapuram International Airport. Lakshmi Finance and Industrial Corporation Limited in daily time frame is trading around 203.10 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 484.01 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 168.88, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.87. Sahaj Fashions Limited in daily time frame is trading around 28.50 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 768,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 24.39, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.11. Startec Finance Limited in daily time frame is trading around 343.60 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 89.19 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 271.93, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.17. For the stock recommendation we have, HFCL Limited looks good and can be bought at 82 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 78 rupees and a target of 86 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.